Hello and welcome to PayFunnels. Would you like to allow your customers to choose from different products or services, such as silver, gold, or platinum plans on a single invoice? You can easily do this. Let's create a simple payment link featuring 3 distinct plans that can help you generate more revenue. Click on New Invoice. Enter the title and add the description you want for the invoice. Now, choose the Multiple Products option and select One Time as a payment type. Now, click on Add Product. Enter Silver Plan as the product name and add a description along with the amount. Click the Save button. You will see that the product has been created. Let's add another product as Gold and Platinum. You can add more products if needed. Once done, go to the Advanced section to choose the invoice currency and other options. Click Save. You will now see that an invoice link has been created. You can share this invoice link with your customers via email, WhatsApp, text message, or any social media platform. Let's click on View Invoice. You will now see the different product on the left side. Your customers now have the option to choose the product they want. For you to process the payment, enter the customer's name and email address and click Next. Enter the credit card number, expiry date, CVC, and zip code. Press Pay Now. You will now see that the payment has been processed, and the option to download the invoice and receipt is available. Please send an email to support@payfunnels.com if you have any questions.